Welcome to Income Files YouTube channel. Without wasting any time, let us jump to our top stories. Businessman and alleged leader of Big Five cartel Vizumuzi Cat Matlala's attempted murder case faces yet another chance of being postponed after the defense made multiple requests for a postponement before the July 20th start date. Matlala and his 4 co-accused were arrested in May 2025 and faced 25 charges, including 11 of attempted murder related to botched hit attempts between 2022 and 2024. Musa Kekana and Tigo Mabusela, Matlala's 2 co-accused and alleged hitmen, have requested further time. Kekana so that his new lawyer could be available and Mabusela so that he could get medical attention. Kekana informed the court that his defense counsel, Hlatshweo Radebe, had withdrawn his services. However, Kekana's newly appointed attorney, Joe Strauss, was not present at the pretrial hearing, therefore halting proceedings.
Will that person whose phone is ringing please leave the court? I'm not having a circus in my court. So the attorney said he'll come next week. Is his attorney aware that next week is recess? Yes. And is your attorney, what does he think? That he'll come when it suits him to come? And the court must just convene and wait for his arrival.
He might have made a mistake, confused the date.
Yes. Mr. Kakano, who is this attorney?
Mabusela told the court that he was having problems with his eyes and was unable to see in the first 15 minutes of waking. Officials at Kosi Mampuru Correctional Services told his attorney that eye care medical services were offered only once a year. Please do one favor for me, hit the subscribe button for your support, we really appreciate it. Judge William Karam said Kekana's new attorney must be present on Wednesday, June 17th, for the pretrial hearing to commence. Everybody, including the court, has been at pains to get a trial and to ensure that the matter starts on the July 20th, 2026 and runs uninterrupted. The judge said that if the new attorney was unavailable to attend court this week, then a special request would have to be made to the acting deputy judge president, Judge Aubrey Ledwaba. The pretrial was expected to conclude before the courts go on recess at the end of June. This is the last week, and we don't generally have matters heard unless they are part-heard trials or judgments to be delivered in the recess, the judge said. The pretrial hearing started in the South Gauteng High Court, Johannesburg, in January 2026 and has faced multiple postponements. The co-accused face charges related to multiple botched shootings involving targets like socialite Tabogo Thobjane, businessman Joe Sabanyoni, and DJ Vettis. Alongside Matlala, the group of co-accused includes his wife Tsakane Matlala and Kekana's daughter Nthabising Nzama. Matlala is also involved in another case with 13 other police officials and 3 company directors, among them National Police Commissioner Fanny Masemola, in a controversial R360 million Medicare contract. The group is expected back at court during the pretrial hearing on June 26th. The magistrate ruled that Kekana's counsel, Radebe, was given leave to withdraw from the matter. The court notes he is undertaking to furnish the new attorney, Mr. Strauss, with additional memory sticks that he has received from the state in order to ensure that the new representative will be in full possession of what Mr. Radebe has in his possession pertaining to the defense of accused number 1 Kekana, the judge said. He endorsed the J7 medical attention application for Mabusela, stating, to the effect that he is, as soon as possible, to receive the necessary attention pertaining to his eyes. The pretrial hearing will continue on Wednesday, June 17, 2026. Matlala, Kekana, and Mabusela remain in custody, while Tsakane and Nzama are out on bail.
So we are back in the Johannesburg High Court where released criminal kingpin Vusumuzi Cat Matlala, his wife, and 2 alleged hitmen are back in the dock. And today's session, the arguments that are going to be heard between the state as well as the defense with regards to the disclosure of further information. Matlala's legal team is arguing that they want further information with regards to CCTV footage, witness statements, as well as vehicle tracking records. Behind me, you can see that Matlala as well as his co-accused are seated in the dock. The state, however, has been insisting that they have disclosed everything that they can with regards to this case. Matlala and his co-accused are expected to go on trial on the 20th of July. However, Matlala's legal team is set to argue that the information that they want is critical to their preparations for that trial.
Please don't forget to subscribe and take care. Bye.